We set July 8th for the launch. I think the in-plane time is 11:26 a.m. We had a very thorough review, like our previous FRRs. We spent quite a bit of time going over each activity that is going to occur on this flight. There's some unique things that are associated with this flight. The fact that we have 4 crew members cuts down a little bit on some of the crew time to get things done, so we had to make some adjustments to make sure that that would all fit, and that all worked out well. This flight is incredibly important to Space Station. The cargo that is coming up on this flight is really mandatory for Space Station. You can see that in our minimum duration flight duration for this mission. It's a 10-day mission, and that essentially allows us to get all the cargo off of the MPLM and return some cargo on the MPLM in the shuttle, even if in the event we have a shuttle anomaly that wants us to return early.
It's a 12-day mission. We're looking to try to get an extra day. Right now, it's a 12 plus 0. We don't have the consumables to have an extra day, but that's bookkeeping a fair number of things. One is to give Mike and the launch team some launch attempts before we have to top off those cryo tanks. If we happen to go on time on the first attempt, we'll carry a little bit of extra cryo up to orbit. And then the other thing they've looked at is the MPLM, as it's in the cargo bay, has some shell heaters in it, basically some low temp heaters that turn on just to keep the temperatures and condensation down. They've looked at the specific attitude we're flying and the specific thermal profile, and the station program is okay to not turn those heaters on before we dock. Really looking forward to achieving this mission, putting station where it needs to be, and finishing strong with the shuttle program here with STS-135.
So Team Atlantis is feeling good about the flow and the launch countdown, and hopefully we'll be able to get her off the ground on Friday the 8th on the schedule.